Hello guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. Ayan. So, I just wanna pop up very quickly guys kasi matagal na tayong walang upload. Charot. Right now, nandito kami sa guys, swimming lesson ng anak ko. Yan, masyadong busy ang ating life. Meron tayong mga videos pero hindi ko pa kasi na na-edit. So, I just really wanna say hi to everyone, especially sa mga naga-support. So, right now guys, medyo madami kaming inaasikaso, but luckily, we were able to find time na mai-enroll namin sa Rachel sa right now she's enrolled to two activities na meron siyang swimming lesson, and then this afternoon she's gonna be doing her keyword lesson. Nakailang session na siya, more than 10 sessions na siya sa kanyang keyboard, and then sa kanyang swimming, ilang days pa lang siya guys kasi kauumpisa pa lang niya, and then we've been out for like 2 weeks kasi medyo na busy yung coach niya, and then may inasikaso rin kami ayan sa Davao, so that is why. And then yeah, I have some good news to share with you guys. I hope that you will wait for our videos. We are so happy that we are able to share some blessings sa kapwa natin Filipino dito, and I am glad that we were able to make some students happy. Ayan, and yeah, so nandito kami ng asawa ko guys. Ang asawa ko busy pa rin sa kanyang laptop. Okay, say hi daddy. Yan, hi! Yan, so, yes guys, inasikaso namin yung sa VA, yung sa military ng asawa ko, kaya nandun kami sa Davao, kasi that's the closest na pwede siyang makapag, that's the closest na yung pwede niyang magawa yung sa appointment niya. So, ayun, and what else? Meron pang follow up guys. Hopefully not this week, at least makarest man na kami ng at least 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, para hindi maka-absent sa Rachel sa mga lessons niya dito, para at least medyo continuous ba ganon. And kapoy pud kaayo kasi medyo natagtag ato ang atong lawas. Yan, so after nyan, I think my Filipino citizenship is ready. Lilipad kaming Manila para mag-off-taking ako. So, yan yung mga ganap sa buhay natin sa ngayon. Ayan. So, anyway, thank you guys sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you so much.